Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a super easy and quick salad with butter beans, cherry tomatoes, avocado and other ingredients. I have also included pasta, and indeed this is the only ingredient you have to cook. I'm going to use fusilli tricolori, but you can use any other similar pasta. I'm also making the dressing, to which I added capers and fresh chives to give a distinctive twist to a basic French salad vinaigrette. We're starting by making the dressing, and for this you can use any clean jam jar you have at home. Begin by finely chopping the chives and the rinsed capers. Put the extra virgin olive oil, white wine vinegar, mustard, custard sugar, a little bit of salt and freshly ground pepper into the jar. Finally, add the chives and capers. Tightly screw the jar lid and shake well until you have a smooth emulsion. Now, bring a medium pan of water to the boil. Add a little salt and cook the pasta following the minimum time in the package instructions. Drain the pasta and set aside. To prepare the ingredients for the salad, begin by finely chopping the spring onion. Also, halve the cherry tomatoes and slice the green olives. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the avocado in half, lengthwise around the pit. Twist in opposite directions to separate the two halves. Remove the seed and peel away the skin. Then, slice the avocado quarters into bite-sized pieces. Next, core and quarter the apple without peeling and finely slice them. Now, put the salad leaves into a large salad plate or deep pasta bowl. Add the tomatoes, spring onion, olives, the rinsed beans, pasta, avocado, and apple. For the topping, sprinkle some mixed seeds, add a few salad croutons and fresh basil leaves. Finally, add the dressing. Give a quick shake to the salad dressing jar and add a few tablespoons to the salad. You can always add a little more afterwards if you prefer. Serve immediately as a main course or as a side dish. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and nutritious salad. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.